How to use Swiffer Sweeper. Are Swiffer Sweepers worth it? What is better than Swiffer Sweeper? Is it better to use a mop or a Swiffer? Can you use both sides of a Swiffer? Do you Swiffer wet or dry? Do Swiffer mops actually work? My name is Florence. Today I'm going to be unboxing an incredible product from Swiffer. Swiffer Wet and Dry 2-in-1 Cleaning Sweeping Kit. I have been using this myself for some time now. This has replaced my traditional mop that I use. You can see it is so easy to put together, and so I'm going to show you how to put this together, how to use it. It's very simple. It will change the way you clean in your home, everything. It cleans anything, it cleans any dirt, any sticky thing. So let's unbox this. It's very easy to open. So you have the easy to open. You can just this, and this will open up. So this is the handle, and this is the 3 pieces of the pole. So this is the head, the Swiffer with 360 swivel head, and this is it. This is the wet mopping cloth. Also you have the dry wet, the cloth. This is the heavy duty wet mopping cloth. That all came with this. This is amazing. And then you have another. This is the Swiffer, the dry heavy duty. So there is 2 of this. The small one and then the big one. Now that we know everything that is the Swiffer sweeping kit, we are now going to assemble the Swiffer sweeping kit. So now to put this together, I'm going to start with the head. As you can see, this can twist 360, can twist around. And all you have to do is just pick one of the pole, and then you go with the little holes right here, and we are going to match this together. So all you have to do is, the easiest way is push down, use your thumb to push down on this, and then you just snap in there. The second one, the same thing. Pick another one, you just pick this one, and then we are going by the hole, so that hole right there. And then with this, you just push down on it and then push this, and then once you push that and push it, and that will snap right in. Hear that snap? And then we do the third one, which is the last pole, and then twist this in. Just make sure this is holding, and then you just push this down a little, and then that is twisting. And then we now is the handle, and all you have to do is just push the handle down just like that, push this down like that, and then push this in and down there with your thumb, and then that just go in, and that's it. Click in there. So now we have a full Swiffer jet that we can use, and you can see this is the full one, and it's solid. And then we can just start using this right away. And also if you want to unassemble this, all you have to do is you just have to push down, and then this will come right out just like that. You push down on it, and then it comes right out. And then you want to put it back in, all you have to do is push this down there, click on this a little, and then that will just go right. You hear that click, and that's it. All right, and now let's attach our heavy duty on it. This really helps to, this is a thread structure, it's fiber trap. So all you have to do, put this in here, and then as this little, and with this, all you have to do is push the ends into the grippers. Just push it in like that, and then this side also that, and that should hold everything, and that just holds everything in. And then that, and we can just start using this right away. And now that we have attached our heavy duty fiber trap on our Swiffer, so now how do you use it? Let's see how to use our Swiffer. Now we can use this anyhow. It cleans everything, and then you can twist it, it goes around. You don't have to spend too much time with anything. Because of the 360 degrees angle, you can go around corners, in between tables, in between chairs, and go around and come back. And place all that. Now to use our wet mopping cloth, just gonna fill this up. We're gonna get our wet out. And to remove the old one you use, all you have to do is just pull this back and then it will just come right out. And then you change it. So to use the wet one, all you have to do is you're gonna open this. Once you open this, you're gonna put this right in here. This is the scrubber. This, you can use this side to scrub anything that is on the floor, and then you can use this to wipe anything off. So I just use this. 2 angles. And I just use this to scrub. Look at how much dirt is clean, and this is how you can use the wet to wipe any muddy, any unclean surface in your kitchen, in your bedroom. You can use this on a dry wood and on a cement. It doesn't matter, it just cleans really well. See how dirty this looks like, and that's how good this cleans really well. See the dirt? It cleans everything, every filth on the floor. It's even clean more than a mop because I use this all the time. Once you finish, all you have to do is take this out. See our mess, and just put this in your trash bag, put it in the trash, and then keep this for next time. And once you finish using it, all you have to do is just hang your thing. And you just hang this for the next time that you need to use it, and that's it. Hello friends, so I just show you how to use the Swiffer wet and dry sweeping kit. It's simple and easy to put together, easy to use. This has replaced my traditional mop. I don't have any mops anymore. This is what I use to clean, to mop my floors, my bedroom floor, my wood floor, everything. It's good. You have the dry, you have the wet, depending on what kind of cleaning you need to do. So that has really helped me a lot. It takes less to clean. You don't have to waste too much time. And if I don't have any mopping the refills, I just use a wet cloth, put it in the grips. It holds just as it will hold the mop refill instead of the mop cloth. So you use it in a different ways. Also, this is what the refill looks like. You just buy this and keep this with your cleaning stuff. Anytime you need, you just take one, put it in the grip, and you are ready to go. So this is what I use to clean my floor. It makes my life easy, no mess around, nothing. So I hope this video helps you. My name is Florence at FlorenceStraka.com. Homemaking made simple for moody women. If you are looking for how to clean the bottom of a pan, watch the next video, and I'll see you on there. Subscribe to the channel so I can make more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.